right, we want to look at how we can solve this function question in core mathematics. All right, so we have been given a function here that is g of x equal to 1 plus 3x all over x minus 1. So this is the function given, and we have been asked to find the image of negative 1 under the function g, and the value of x for which g of x equal to 7, and the last one is value of g of negative 3. Now it's simple. For we to find or solve this question, first of all we write our function given here. Now for we to find the image, this negative 1 is representing the variable in the function given. So for we to find the image of negative 1, we have g of negative 1, which means we use our negative 1 to represent our x, that is the variable in the function. So that is how we represent it here, equal to 1 plus 3x. Our x now become negative 1. So that is 3 multiplying negative 1 all over x minus 1. All right. So our x is negative 1. So you have negative 1 minus 1. And when we simplify this, we are going to have 1 minus 3 all over negative 2. That is from this. And that will give us negative 2 over 2. Negative 2 over negative 2. So when we divide negative 2 by negative 2, it will give us 1. So the image of negative 1 under the function is positive 1. Now, the next one is we want to look for the value of x for which g of x equal to 7. How do we solve this? Now, the whole of g of x is given as 1 plus 3x all over x minus 1. So if g of x equal to 7, then we are going to use the whole of g of x and equate it to 7. So that is what we do. We equate this one to 7. Then what do we do next? We do cross multiplication to find our x. So this will multiply this, and that is what we'll have here, all equal to 1 plus 3x. This time this will give us 7x minus 7 equal to 1 plus 3x. At this level, we group like terms. So we have 7x, we move this, that will give us minus 3x equal to 1. We move this because it's negative. When it crosses, it will become positive. So we have positive 7. So 7x minus 3x will give us 4x equal to 8. We are looking for our x, so we divide through by 4. And dividing through by 4, it will give x equal to 2. Now let's see how we can find value of g of negative 3. Now, the negative 3 here is representing the variable in the function, as we can see. So anywhere we see x, we are going to put negative 3 there. So that is what we want to do here. So we have 1 plus 3 multiplying our x by x now is negative 3 all over negative 3 minus 1. All right. So equal to 1 minus 9 all over negative 4 equal to 1 minus 9 will give us negative 8 all over negative 4. When we cancel, we are going to have 2. So g of negative 3 under the function is 2. So this is how we can solve this question. Now, students should try and solve this question here. Evaluate f of 2. Find the values of x when f of x equal to 17 whole number 1 over 2. And the last one, we are looking for a and b. All right, so f of 2 equal to 1, which means anywhere we see x in this function, we'll put 2 there, then we equate everything to 1. Anywhere we see x in the function, we put 4 there, then we equate it to 3. We can find our a and b. After that, we fix it into the function, and that will be what we are looking for. Thank you.